Do you want to know how you can log into your Jefferson Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Jefferson Payroll account. Go ahead and search for Jefferson Payroll Login. And then click on the second link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of Jefferson Payroll. You can see that you can log in using your PPS number. So go ahead and write down your professional payroll service number over here. After you write down your number, make sure it is correct, check it once and go to the second box and write down your password. After you write down your password, click on this button to check your password. Then the last step is to click login. This way you can successfully log into your Jefferson Professional Payroll Services account. If you have forgotten your password and want to reset it, this is the link for you. And if you are a new user and want to register yourself to create a Jefferson Payroll account, you can click on this link. So guys, this is how you log into your Jefferson Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.